and we are gonna make sandwiches out of corn, potatoes, and cheese. Okay? First, we get bagel. Okay, we will need a parent to help you with this part. It's even tricky for me. Okay. Now, first, we'll get a plate. And we want somebody to hold this, right? So the cameraman, the camera lady will hold it. And you see the bagel, don't you? Okay. Okay. Now you don't have to see the bagel, but you have to hold it. Camera lady. Okay, as you see, you should get a plastic one. See? Wait, I'll get one more ingredient, okay?
Okay.
Hey, you want to do puzzle or
I
something?
want you to.
Are you going to do YouTube? What you going to do?
Okay, and we have a special guest here. Okay, this is my dad.
Hello. And what are you doing today for your YouTube debut?
We are making a potato corn salami sandwich.
Sounds good to me, chef.
Okay, we're gonna get 2 slices of salami. And okay, give me the bagel. Okay, I already have a plate.
Okay.
Okay, now could you slice this in half, Mr.
Sure.
Michael?
Sure. And you're going to put that on the bagel, right?
Wait, so you have to slice it in the middle.
Presto changeo. Presto chingo.